Welcome back to Direct Locksmith, a new project, Mercedes SL 500 1998. The customer drove from Michigan, cannot find anybody to make him a key with a remote attached to it. His remote is not working, he have a faulty key, he was able only to drive, so we create him a remote key that lock and unlock the door and start the car. Let's check. Unique job done by Direct Locksmith. Voila, the car start. Unique vehicle, Cabrio SL 500 1998 or 7, I'm not sure exactly, but again we create him a key with a remote, one of the kind. 6-hour drive to Toronto from Michigan. The job is done within 20 minutes. For any unique vehicles, please feel free to contact Direct Locksmith.